because all my other videos got deleted, so I was really mad about that. Like, it's really late right now and I'm really mad, and I just woke up from a nap. And I thought my other video uploaded, but apparently not, because whatever, it's okay. So I'm recording now, and yeah. So I'm just going to do like, I don't know, 5 facts about me. So yeah, and then I'll get into detail a little bit. So, number 1, I live in Pennsylvania. 2, I am in 7th grade, and I am currently 12 years old, and I am the youngest one on this whole entire channel. Yeah, I'm the youngest one on this whole entire channel, but that's okay, cause, like, I literally feel like I act like I'm 14, and I feel like I look like I'm 14 because I know, like, a lot of people will come up to me like, hey, is she 14? Or like, are you 14? I'm like, no, I'm 12. And all of you at my school, I'm like, I'm 12, and they're like, what? Like, really? Cause like, they're like 13 or 14. But there are some 12-year-olds in my grade, I guess. Yeah. Number 4. Yeah, number 4. Wait, let's just skip to number 4. Number 4, my favorite color is like a bluish purple. Like, it's not purple, but it's not blue, you know? So yeah. Or just dark navy blue, that's what I like. That is basically it for the video, everyone. I'm so sorry it was so short, and again, I'm really sorry that I didn't upload it earlier because my video, I thought it published, but then it didn't, so then I had to re-record because I deleted all my other ones because I thought I published already, so I could, it's a long story. So anyway, that is it for this video, everyone. Make sure you follow me on my social medias that are going to be down below. Also, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more daily videos. Bye!